St. Florence YouTube channel. I am Manoj sir, your mathematics teacher. I am teaching maths since last 30 years. So please try to see this video very carefully. Then you understand very well. If any doubt is there, please write in comment box. If any problem you cannot solve, that also can write in comment box. Join Telegram channel. So all the information you will get over there. Information and the link is given in description box. This is another important sums, little different, and this is CBSE 2009. In the board exam it has come already. Now see, two dice are thrown simultaneously. Two dice are thrown simultaneously. What is the probability that 5 will not come up on either of them? 5 will come up on at least one and 5 will come up at both the dice. Now, if when two dice are thrown, what are the possibilities are there? That already I explained you in the previous video. In the concept. What are possible cases? What is? How it is coming? Even I have written all the numbers. 36 numbers are there. 36 cases are there. So all I explained. If any doubt is there, please see the previous video. Then do this sum. It is good for you. Now see, total number of two dice are thrown. First write two dice are thrown. Two dice are thrown. So total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. What is 6 into 6? That is 36. How 36? I explained in previous video. 36 is coming. So I understand sample space you can say. A total number of outcomes you can say. That is clear 36. Now see, how to do this question? I will do in different way. They said 5 will not come up on either of them. So what are the numbers? Numbers are just I am saying orally. First comes 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. I told you this way. Then coming 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Like this all are given. So I will just focus on 5. So first you find out where 5 is coming. Where 5 is coming, those numbers only write down. So I can say 1, 5. Here is 5 is coming. So first number is 1, 5. Clear? One number is 1, 5. Then you think next 2, 5 also there. Yes. 2, 5 is there. Then 3, 5 also there. Because I will focus only 5. Other numbers I have not considered. So 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5. Then at 6, 5. Clear? This side is started 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5 and 6, 5. And that side I say, then I can say 5, 1. 5, 2 and 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5 is given. I will not write again. And right here 6, no 5, 4, then 5, 6. All these numbers are there. Where 5 will come once or twice. 5 is coming once or 5 coming twice. This is the main thing of this question. 5 coming once here, 5 coming twice both sides, and here also coming 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now what is your question? 5 will not come up on either of cases, either of them. If those I will write, it is 11, that means that one is 25. Why? Total is 36 cases are there. 5, 5 coming in 11 cases. So how many cases are left? 25 cases. So now tell me which is convenient to you. If you write 11 times, I will write 25 times. In board exam, you don't have so much time to write. So do the shortest way, do the easy way. So that time also saved and your sums also is correct. So I will write this one. So if I say probability of getting 5, at least 5 or both 5. See here, what is this question? 5 will come up at least 1. At least 1 means 1 also 5 is there and 2 5 is there. So this is actually answer of this. To confuse you, given this one. Okay? Oh, okay. I will do this one only first. So what I write here? Question number 1 I am doing. Question number 1. I will write probability of getting at least 5. At least 5. At least 1 5. Probability of, write nicely, probability of getting 5, at least 5 at least 1 5 that is nice. At least 1 5. That is 2 also can come. So what is there? That is 11. Total what is 36. So I have to write 11 by 36. Now this is not the answer of this. I got the answer getting at least 1 5 means 1 5 and 2 5. But they say what is 5 will not come either of them. So I got 11 by 36. But this is not my answer. I want just opposite to this answer. What is the total probability? Total probability is 1. So I can say probability of getting this language I am using 5 will not come on either of them. What is? Total probability is 1. 5 is coming. That is 11 by 36. So from total probability I have to subtract this. So 1 minus 11 by 36. So what is coming? 36 minus 11 is 25 by 36. This is your answer of number 1. So I got another answer. I subtract from 1. Easily I got 25 by 36. And what is another process is that you have to write 25 cases. Except these 11, other 25 cases you have to write down and then you have to find out. So that is more difficult, more time consuming, not difficult, time consuming. So I have to do in this way question number 1. I think clear you are all of you? Now I will start number 2. 5 will come up at least 1. Actually this is your answer. This is your answer. 5 will come at least 1. So no need to do, just you and rub this. Okay. 5 will come at least 1. So number 2 question. Probability of getting 5 will come at least 1. At least 1 in this one answer. So that is 11 by 36. Is it? 11 by 36. At least 1 means what? 1 time or 2 times. This is answer for this. Clear? And third part what is given? Probability of getting 5 will come up at both the die. Both the die means here also 5, there also 5. This is your answer. Probability of getting 5 will come on both the die. That is both the die coming 5. That is only 1 time it is coming. So my answer is 1 by 36. I think a little different is this. So 2-3 times you see the videos, then only you can understand. Now I have to come for next sum. Hello children, this is another sum. Different. It may come, may not come in the board exam, but it is different and a little difficult also. 3 unbiased coins are tossed. Generally I explain you 2 coins are tossed. This is completely different. 3 coins are tossed. 3 unbiased coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting exactly 2 heads, and this particular word can understand at most 2 heads. At most 2 heads. Okay? This particular thing you have to understand very well. If 3 coins are tossed, then what can happen? Sample space. Sample space or remember outcome, same thing. I am writing what can happen when 3 coins are tossed. Then how to write, that is very important. One coin toss, what is coming? Two cases, head or tail, two coming. So when three coins will toss, generally formula is 2 power 3. So it will come 8 cases. One time is tossing 2 power 1. So 2 is coming. 2 times you are tossing. 2 coins are tossed, 2 power 3. 4 cases, 3 times or 3 coins are tossed, then 8 cases will come. That is clear. 8 cases will come. Now how to write this? Very important for you. 3 head may come. Clear? 3 coins are tossed. Head, first one, second one head, and third one also head. Okay. Next one is tossing. Then head, tail can come. In this way you have to write down. We are not confused. Head, tail. Then H, T. Slowly, one head is removing, one T writing. Easy to understand. So head, tail. Then what I write? Tail. All three tail can come. Then I can say here, this is tail and these two are head. Yes. First one is tail, these two are head. Then 2 tails. Then head can come. Then how to write? Head, and tail. This is the easiest way to write. Otherwise you will be confused. See how to write. This is very important thing. 3 heads write down. 1 head remove, T write down. Then 2T, then 3T. Then from this head start. T write, then 2 head. Then 2T, then head. One time middle in the T, one time middle head. Then 8 will come. This is very important for you. So total number of sample space what is? 8 I got. Clear? Sample space 8. Now question number 1 what is? Probability of getting exactly 2 heads. Exactly 2 heads, at least 2 heads. Exactly 2 means 2 heads only. Or exactly means exactly 2 heads. At least means 2 may come. More than 2, 3 may come. So exactly 2 heads is this one. This is your answer. This is your answer. This is your answer. See, here 2 heads are there. 1, 2, and here 1, 2. See, others are not there. Exactly 2. So there are 3 cases are there. 1, 2, and 3. So what is my answer? 3 by 8. Clear? 3 by 8. Exactly 2 heads. Now number 2 question. What is given? At most 2 heads. This means at most 2 means what? 2 head may come or less than 2. That is 1 also can come and 0 also can come, but not 3. At most 2 means 2 or less than 2. The at most 2 means, that means greater than 2 what is? 3 will not come. 2 heads will come. At most 2 heads. So this I consider, these 3 I consider. Here 1 head, I consider this also. Here is given 1 head, is also considered, this also considered, and these also considered. At most 2 means 2 and less than 2. 0 also can be taken. So altogether 7 cases are there. One except this, all these I will take. At most 2 heads means 2 or less than 2. At least 2 means 2 or greater than 2. At most 2 means 2 or less than 2. So altogether 7 cases are there. So 7 by 8 is your answer. Clear children? So please practice all this. Okay, goodbye.